I'm Brenden Prazner. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Wilcom. We create embroidery design software. So we're the world leader in what we do, and our customers use our software to build beautiful embroidery designs, anything from left chest logo to beautiful sari dresses filled with sequins. We're an Australian-based company. We're a technology company, but we've come from a very traditional market that is knocking on doors, dealing with fabrics and threads, moving more into the digital world. And with that, we were looking for solutions to help us engage with our customers, improve our early engagement on websites and closure. When we're doing all the research looking for these solutions, there was a lot of talk on the forums about Dynamics and Salesforce and the other solutions, and there were a lot of passionate people talking about them, but there was mainly people who were passionately saying what they didn't like about the solution, that it was complicated, that it was expensive to use. And then just by Googling, up popped a thing called Zoho. I wasn't familiar with the brand. I wasn't aware of Zoho or what Zoho did. But the more I looked into it, there was a pretty active community. What I noticed was that the users were quite different to the communities of the other forums. There was a lot of passion about what you could do with the Zoho platform. And we needed something pretty quick to get to market. So I started asking around, and I found out that a friend who I used to work with actually became a Zoho consultant, and he gave me a quick demo, and he said, it's so simple, it's so easy, you're going to love it. So we took the leap, we got on board, and it was just CRM at that time. And I'm not exaggerating, within a week, we had all our email journeys set up, we had our automation going that when someone signed up on our website, the lead went into CRM, it kicked off a workflow, they had emails for the next 14 days that walked them through the whole process. We had the information on our website, the pre-sales that our customers were looking for. We're able to give them the onboarding that they required as they were getting into the product with the 14-day trial and all the videos and all the tips to help them get on board. A big part of our customer base is customer support. So we are high-value software, anywhere up to $10,000, $20,000 to use our solution. So rightfully so, people demand support. So we've been using Zendesk for many years to do our support, but over the time we just found some challenges with it. It's not as flexible as what we'd like it to be in terms of its layout, its workflow automation. It's actually very expensive when you start adding more clients and agents to the platform. And as we're growing for a business and having more people wanting to get access to the platform, it's becoming very, very expensive for us. But more importantly, it's the user experience for us, and the user experience isn't as seamless as we like it to be. We're also in the process of integrating all our platforms and all our data, again, to be that kind of single source of truth. And that's what we now call Zoho, our single source of truth. Everything comes into Zoho. And Zendesk is out there in the wild. So we decided to move it across to Zoho Desk. So we're in the process now of migrating across. And it's been really, really simple from a user migration point of view. So all the users came across, they received an email, and they'll put into the system, and all the previous tickets came across. Where it has been a challenge, though, is the articles. And that's probably the most important part for us, because the articles is our knowledge base. Ticket history is great for customers, but bringing across that articles, that has been quite a slow and painful process, having to manually copy them one by one. But we're committed to do that. So we see the value in Desk. More importantly, that for the first time, which is really important for us as a company dealing with a subscription-based product and a cloud-based solution, is all that information from the customer's purchase record, their lead journey, and now finally their support tickets will all be in the one single view in CRM. And that's really important for a few reasons. One, we understand, how is that customer? Are they having a good experience with us? Are they having a bad experience with us? And depending on that experience, we can send them down different journeys or streams. We can put them in they're really happy, maybe they might want to upgrade and have more solutions, or maybe we need to put them over to a training stream and send them more information and help them along their way. Previously, all that was in Zendesk. We weren't able to get that out. We literally have someone every week manually sucking out reports, massaging it in Excel. But once we all get that to Zoho Desk, we'll do all that through CRM and of course through analytics and start to automate it. We're looking like a much bigger company than we really were.